Hello everybody, welcome to the Tools Guy. In the dynamic world of construction, accuracy, efficiency, and safety remain the pillars upon which successful projects are built. With every task, from layout and framing to tiling and installation, precision plays an instrumental role in determining the project's outcome. In this pursuit of perfection, one tool has emerged as an indispensable asset to professionals across the construction industry: the laser level. The laser level is a modern marvel that has revolutionized construction practices, simplifying the once daunting task of achieving accurate alignments and leveling. 5. Sigman Laser Level Self. The Sigman Laser Level is a self-leveling 3D green cross-line tool designed for construction and picture hanging. It comes with a rechargeable battery, a remote controller, and a magnetic rotating stand. The product has an overall rating of 4.6 out of 5, based on 3,696 ratings. The laser level has received positive feedback from users for its ease of use and accuracy. The product has undergone a review analysis, and approximately 9% of potentially unnatural reviews have been removed. The adjusted rating, after the removal of these reviews, remains at 4.6 out of 5 based on 3,375 ratings. 4. DeWalt 12 volts Max Laser Level. The DeWalt 12 volts Max line laser is a powerful and professional-grade line laser designed for construction and surveying applications. It offers three 360-degree line lasers for full room layout, making it suitable for more in-depth and complex tasks. The green beam laser technology is 4 times brighter than red, providing excellent visibility up to 100 feet indoors and a working range of 165 feet. The laser comes with an integrated magnetic bracket for easy attachment to metal tracks and steel, making it ideal for use with a tripod for stability and precise measurements. 3. Self-Leveling Laser Level. The article reviews 3 of the best self-leveling laser levels available for various construction and DIY tasks. The KiWied Self-Leveling Laser Level is a rugged 360-degree level with green laser lights that are exceptionally bright and accurate. It has a weather-resistant housing and offers multiple mounting options, including compatibility with tripods and a magnetized base. The kit includes rechargeable batteries, a USB Type-C charger, a carrying bag, and a target plate for outdoor use. The level comes with an extensive 3-year warranty. 2. Klein Tools 93 LCLS Laser Level. The Klein Tools 93 LCLS Laser Level comes with a well-designed case featuring metal latches. It offers various mounting options, including compatibility with tripods and 2 brackets with magnets for metal objects. The level has 3 lasers that can be operated individually or simultaneously, and they self-level within 4 degrees. The unit has a safety feature to prevent accidental activation. The magnets on the laser are strong, and the laser emits a flat beam throughout its length. The red laser is bright indoors but may be difficult to see outdoors in sunlight. 1. Bosch GPL150G. The Bosch GPL150G is a 5-point, self-leveling laser with green beam technology, offering plus or minus 1/8 in. Accuracy at 30 ft. For up/down plumb, align, and level applications. It features the Bosch exclusive VisiMax technology, providing maximum beam brightness in various job site conditions. The laser includes a hard carrying case, full rubber overmold housing, and a smart pendulum system for self-leveling. It has an integrated multi-purpose laser mount with strong magnets and can be mounted virtually anywhere. After considering various laser levels for construction, the Bosch GPL150G stands out as one of the best options. With its 5-point, self-leveling capabilities and plus or minus 1/8 in. Accuracy at 30 ft, it proves reliable for plumb, align, and level applications. The green beam technology provides exceptional brightness, up to 4x brighter than standard red beams, making it highly visible in different job site conditions. The Bosch exclusive VisiMax technology further enhances the line visibility while conserving power and extending battery life.